Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the new Instagram update, how you can add notes to an Instagram post or reels for your friends to see. So if you guys didn't know, there is a new features on Instagram called notes. So if you see a post that you find it interesting or you like it so much, so you want your friends to see and leave a note for your friends, so what you need to do is find the Instagram post, and here when you click on this share button, this airplane icon, the add note option will be visible here on the left. So just click on the plus on add note, and here you can share, you can choose the access. So if you want to only share the note to your close friend, just click on this, or you can also choose to leave a note for the followers that you follow back. After that, you can click on done, and here you can leave a note. So you can just, for example, this is so true, for example, like this. Then after that, you can click share. So these notes right here will appear in here when your friends see it, and you don't need to worry because the notes will be disappear after 3 days, so it's not permanent. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.